Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the switch from Custom Knife Factory right over here with me for a maintenance video, and I'm gonna try to clean it up and see if we can improve the action, which is already pretty nice. Installing a little bit of Skiff bearings, and as usual, you don't have to forget to like, to subscribe, and to leave a comment down below. So that's not a T10 that you're gonna need for the pivot. It is going to be a T8, so grab that, disassemble the pivot, and you can tackle from this side only. Here you go. The handle from this screw, which is really long. I'm not sure if that's Zirk. Looks like it's Zirk actually. So these are screwed in right into the frame, so just keep that in mind. Here you go. So this is done. There you go. Very, there you go. Simple, right? So we are going to need, I think, these guys, right? There you go. This is the specs you need for the bearings, which are different. See? Anyways, these are going out. Let's do it there. I'll grab an alcohol swab like this guy over here, just to give it a little cleanup on the inside. Right over here. See, bearing track, nice and clean. Let's clean up the blade. That's nice. Dual tone finish. Here we go. Kind of reminds me of the snafu finish. Also Custom Knife Factory. Here we go. So that is done. Scale over here with some internal milling showing the machining path. This is some interesting marble carbon fiber right over here, you see, milled. Milling also extends onto the frame. We got a pivot collar, which is on the same color of the scale, interestingly. Internal lock bar stabilizer, ceramic detent ball. We don't have any detent ball ramp. Here you go. Also the inlay on the back looks to be, actually look at this, is screwed in through the clips, the clip screws. Pretty cool, and spacer centering in Zirk polished. Very nice actually. I like it very much. Let's see. Let's start from this fella here, which was probably, I'd say this can go in the front, right? To have a clean look. What do you guys think? I don't remember, to be honest. It's gonna go there. And one bearing is in. Actually, no. This is not the right set. Very interesting. So maybe this is the set. Right, so hold on a second, guys. So don't follow that. I hope you guys watch the video till the end, at least until this moment, because I think these are gonna be the specs for the, here you go, yeah, for the bearings, not the one before, so just a little bit bigger. It's in a little bit of 10 weight non-oil. I'm sure it's going to help big time. And now we get the second bearing in, like so, and another 1, 2, and 3, and 1 here on the detent ball track. And so these guys are 5 millimeters and can go right over here. And then spacer, pretty nice. This guy right over here. And we can do the handle screws. Trying to find a hole already through the back spacer, like so. And then you can just line up the back spacer like that. And just to have them in place, right? It doesn't have to go all the way down, just a little bit. Here you go. So we can just release the tension. Nice. And I want to do, because this is a spinning pivot, guys, so I'm not gonna use any of the blue Loctite because I'm pretty sure that's spinning, right? Yeah, so no, not doing it, because it looks like it's flush on the other side. So we might have some troubles. Let's see. Done. Pivot is in. I don't know how. Maybe it's locking in. All right. So it looks a little bit too tight. Like this. Looks like not like fully centered. I mean, just a little tiny bit. Great action. Oh, really cool. Indeed. Very impressed. Heavy blade, but very smooth and controlled. Yeah, looking good. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned